and welcome to Headline Today on IOX 24. I'm Kristen Vy with the global, regional, and local stories you need to know. Today's big story in global investment, the asset management sector is set to grow to 130 trillion by 2027, up from about 114 trillion today. Analysts say most of this growth won't come from the fresh money flowing in, but most market returns, meaning performance in equities, bonds, and other asset classes will be the main driver. Regionally, North America is expected to lead the charge, adding about 1.4 trillion in the net inflows, while the Asia-Pacific region is becoming a key agent, powered by the rising middle class and active retail investors. Meanwhile, Europe and the Middle East and Africa are focused to contribute around $600 billion. Despite tougher global funding conditions, Africa's fintech industry is emerging as a major magnet for global venture capital. The continent is quickly becoming a testing ground for the next generation digital finance solutions, drawing significant venture capital interest amidst continued global uncertainty. Global investment banks are increasingly shifting their focus to Europe mid-market M&A deals, valued between 100 million and 1 billion. In particular, major global players such as JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Citi, and Barclays are leading the push as mid-market activity rises to 43% of all M&A in 2025, up from 31% last year, totaling 132.600 billion. Overall, the shift represents a long-term strategy to strengthen clients' relationships amid the slowdown in mega deals. Vietnam Vinfast reported strong sales but wider losses in unaudited Q2 2025 results. At the same time, the company has been expanding quickly, now running 394 showrooms across the world. In terms of products, Vinfast shows strong growth in sales, with its small and affordable EVs such as VF3, VF5, and VF6 among the most popular. However, despite this success, the company posted a net loss of $769 million, an increase of over 8% from the year earlier. As heavy spending on expansions and marketing continues, looking ahead, Vinfast is planning to invest further, putting more money into new factories in India and Indonesia. Even so, the company has reaffirmed its target of reaching break-even by the end of 2026. Meanwhile, Vietnam's government has stepped into the cool-down to the country's overheated gold market, where gold prices recently climbed to nearly around 20 million Vietnamese dong, higher than global prices. In response, Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính ordered tighter oversight, while a new decree allows firms such as P&G, Doji, and SJC to import and produce gold bars. The aim is to narrow the price gap and stabilize the market. That's all for now on Headlines Today. Stay with us for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to the IOX 24 as the news inflows